Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to send BTC from Binance to Binance. This easy method allows for quick and often free transfers between accounts on the same platform. You'll learn how to navigate the withdrawal process, select the correct internal transfer option, and ensure your Bitcoin reaches its destination swiftly. This guide focuses on efficiency and security, making your crypto transfers seamless and stress-free. We'll cover every step to ensure a smooth experience. To begin, log into your Binance account and head over to your wallet section. From there, you will select the withdraw option. Make sure to choose Bitcoin or BTC as the cryptocurrency you wish to send. The crucial step here is to select the Binance user or internal transfer option, which ensures your funds stay within the Binance ecosystem for a faster and more efficient transfer process. Next, you will need to input the recipient's details. This can be their registered Binance email address, phone number, or their unique Binance Pay ID. It is absolutely critical to double-check this information for accuracy to prevent any misdirected funds. After confirming the recipient, specify the exact amount of Bitcoin you intend to send. Remember, precision is key in cryptocurrency transactions to ensure everything goes smoothly. Finally, you will reach the confirmation screen. Take a moment to carefully review all the transaction details, including the recipient and the amount. After confirming everything looks correct, you will complete the necessary security verification steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once verified, the transfer is typically instant, meaning the Bitcoin should appear in the recipient's Binance wallet within a few moments, completing your seamless internal transfer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.